Hello and welcome to Times of India. I'm Sudhakar Reddy Udumala, Editor Investigation of Times of India. I'm here right now at CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, a premier institute of CSIR. I'm with Dr. Rakesh Mishra, the director of CCMB. Now we'll be asking him certain questions because it's a year after COVID-19 has struck the country. Mr. Rakesh Mishra, please tell us how did CCMB rose to the occasion and contributed in the fight against pandemic?
This has been an amazing year. We didn't know till you told that 1 year has passed was in this activity. So when the pandemic came, because we are a biology lab that works with viruses, we have BSL-3 laboratory and we have bright students who do the experiments with these kinds of dangerous parasites. So it was expected from institutions like this to respond to this pandemic. And you may remember that even Chief Minister asked Prime Minister that CCMB should be asked to do this thing in Telangana state. We responded that we interacted with the state government, the health department, and set up the training place for the testing. We set up our own testing facility. We set up a validation facility where the new kits and new methods, new sanitization methods can be tested. We started to culture the virus. We are a national repository for COVID samples, and we started to culture the virus, which helped us providing the virus to companies to make drugs or to make vaccines against this. So we have been involved in multiple activities, and we have been following the genome of the virus very carefully and looking for if the new variants are emerging, because that's one of the major concern of the even the testing methods sometimes may have to be modified, and of course vaccines and drugs and all depend on the variants.
Sir, is the vaccine end of the story? When a person is vaccinated, how safe is he and how effective is the vaccine and how long?
So vaccine is not end of the story, because for multiple reasons. 10-15% people may not respond, may not be protected by the vaccine. That's the data of these vaccines shows. And even when the vaccine is given, it will be, these are 2-dose vaccines, so the 30th day from the first dose you are given the second dose, and then it takes another 2 weeks, so that means 40-45 days it takes for the vaccine to come in the full effect. But even then, you should wear the mask and you should not consider that you are fully protected for 2 reasons. One is, as I said, that individual may be falling in that 10-15% category, or a new variant may come. Today all the variants are probably managed by these vaccines, but in future a new variant may come which may infect a little bit, if not full, it may be a mild infection or something. So we are providing virus more chance if we let the virus enter and then do something to the body. So vaccine is a very good tool to fight this, but social vaccine is equally important. At the moment, more important. I think our first tool is social vaccine, which is wear the mask, hand hygiene, and avoid clustering crowded places. And 2, use the vaccine. It is safe, it is effective, it will protect us for several months, maybe years. We do not know, that we will know only after time passes. But it is a very good tool that we have got, thanks to the companies who have worked day in and out, thanks to the regulatory authorities who have allowed the vaccine as an emergency provision, and we have this wonderful tool which we are helping our society, and even whole world we are ready to supply the vaccine. That is something to be very proud of.
So there are some instances of vaccine reactions and certain deaths, a few deaths. So how do we see, is it normal, or how do we see that?
Now first of all, these vaccines, when they are given go ahead, it is sure that they are safe, because otherwise regulatory bodies, they are professional bodies, they will not allow that. And now we know more than 1 crore people have been vaccinated, and maybe 1 or 2 incidents, they may be coincidence and maybe other thing, but this vaccine, all the data and experience shows that they are safe.
Okay, thank you very much. CCMB has been working overtime. Scientists and researchers and students associated with CCMB, including the director and other heads of the department, have been working overtime to help the nation in the fight against COVID-19. Thank you.